welcome guys to my channel. This channel, guys, is pretty much something that I want to do on a side project. I want to see how far I can grow in this YouTube community in programming. I know there's not a lot of programmers, so hopefully one day I make it big. Now, what inspired me to start this channel was just the simple fact that every time I have a problem online with code, I can never find it and I have to figure it out. So I want to give a platform for myself and others who are learning to code, something to look forward to every day. Now, a lot of people out here in this world don't know what coding is, and I don't expect a lot of you to know what coding is. So coding is pretty much different sets of languages that people have created over the years to allow machines to produce things. Now, over this channel, guys, I'm going to be going over 9 of the major languages that people do know now in 2018 that could land you a job anywhere, pretty much. Any company, anything. Now, if you guys do subscribe to the channel and like the videos and hit the bell for notifications, you guys will be notified every day that I upload. Pretty much with the channel, guys, I'm going to be trying to upload every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and maybe Sunday if I have time. I'm going to be going over pretty much the basics of each of these languages, and that's pretty much it, guys. This has been Coding for Projects, and I'm out. Peace.